When you upload something to Redbubble, you're given the opportunity to set colours for your products. So you can see here I've got the standard print clothing which I'm editing and change the colour to be black because things tend to look good on a black background. You can see I've got the unisex t-shirt here as the style, but when I change it to be tank top or women's t-shirt or v-neck or any of these things, it automatically copies across that black. So you might want everything to be displayed as black, and you go in each of the settings, selecting black and changing it. Say you've done absolutely everything as black and save it. I'll show you what that looks like in the portfolio. When a customer clicks, they will see this. Everything's black except the long t-shirt and the women's premium t-shirt. And that's because, for some strange reason, if you have a look up at the top, on large print clothing, it doesn't copy the colour across. So you've got the default colour as black for the premium t-shirt, but the women's premium t-shirt, you've got to click this arrow here to get across to it, and then set a colour individually. And the same goes for the long t-shirt. Set the colour as black. And once you save it, and save changes, your portfolio will be consistent. Only something small, but if a customer's looking for that one in particular, the long t-shirt or the women's premium t-shirt, and it's not matching the rest of your portfolio, then you could lose out on a sale due to that. If you look here, the t-shirts and hoodies category, one of the lower cost t-shirts, the profit margin is £2.41. If you scroll down and look at the longer t-shirts, you'll see that it's £3.48 profit per sale, and the women's premium t-shirt is £4.64 profit per sale, so it's almost double what you would get for a standard shirt. If you're losing out on those sales by not setting a colour, you're basically throwing away what could potentially be double your profits, and it only takes a few seconds to set the colour, so just make sure you do that when you're uploading your products.